Hey, what's going on everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today, as you can see, I have this special package in hand. This is a gift from Google. Team Pixel went ahead and sent this out to me, and I am super excited for this one because, first of all, I have never been sent anything from Google before, so this is definitely a first time for me. And second of all, I kind of have an idea of what's in the box. I know it has something to do with one of the new phones that were announced yesterday. We have the new Pixel 3a and the new Pixel 3a XL, and the front of the box basically gives it away. As you can see, kind of gives us the outline of the phone with the Team Pixel branding in the front, the hashtag Team Pixel. We got Google branding in the front, on the side, on this side as well, and then Team Pixel on the top. So I'm super excited to get this open. Like I said, I know it has something to do with the phone. I don't know exactly what model they sent out or what colors. So without any more waiting, let's get this box open. All right. So here it is. Let's go ahead and get this box opened up. The top just slides off very easily. I'll go ahead and set this in the back over here. And here we are. So the first thing we see in the box is a Pixel 3a case, which kind of tells me that this is the model they sent me. It's got to be that obvious. Pixel 3a case. Looks like it's the gray one with the orange accent button, which actually looks really nice. Let's see what else is in this box. Looks like we got a bag here from Google with the Google branding in the front. You got to have your troll bag from when you go to the store. Take your Google bag right there. That's looking pretty nice. Let's go ahead and set that over to the side over there, and then down here it looks like we have a Team Pixel pop socket. All right, I'm not much of a pop socket user, but hey, it's always nice to have one on the side, so that's pretty nice of them to add that in there as well. Let's see what we got here. Looks like we got a little card. Google Pixel 3a is finally here, and we'd like you to be among the first to have one. All right, I will read some of this later on my own, but cheers, your friends at Google. So thank you so much, Google, for sending this out. It is very much appreciated. We got the Google Fi card right here as well. Try 1 month of free Google Fi service on your new Pixel 3a or Pixel 3a XL. So let me set that over to the side. And here it is, the actual device itself. And it doesn't look like there's anything else in the box. So let me go ahead and toss this over to the side and let's take a look at the box itself. So looks like we got the regular Pixel 3a, which I'm kind of happy about because most of the phones I have right now are large phones. I got the Galaxy S10 Plus, I got my Note 9, even the OnePlus 6T is a little large as well. I'm sure larger than this right here. So it's always nice to have something different. It looks like they sent me the Just Black one is what it is called. So you can see we got some of the specs down here. 5.6-inch display, 64 gigabytes of internal storage, the Just Black color. And that's basically all the specs they got on the box for now. On the side, we got the Google, we got the side of the phone right here as well. And then in the back, kind of another picture of the phone, hashtag Team Pixel. Now, I know the unboxing experience for these Pixel phones is to make it pretty easy for you. No knife or anything like that is needed. All you got to do is just peel off these side stickers right here. Let me go ahead and do the same thing over here, and boom, it is ready to be opened. So let me go ahead and open this up, and here is the device itself. Let me go ahead and take it out. And look at this. Let's go ahead and peel off the plastic. I know most reviewers like to throw it to the side. Sometimes even I do that. Throw it to the side, see what else is in the box. But this time I want to look at the phone first. So this is the Pixel 3a. Look at that. As you can see, it does have bezels on the top and the bottom, but this is a mid-range device, so it does look a lot like the regular Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL, except this is a polycarbonate, basically plastic backing, but they did give it kind of like a matte finish to give it the illusion that it is basically like the regular Pixel 3, making it look like it does have that metal backing. As you can see here, you got the fingerprint sensor, then you got the one single camera up top, and then as you can see here, it's got the two-tone look, it's got the shiny black up top, and like I said right here, it's got the nice matte finish in the back. So for being a mid-range device that is pretty much plastic in the back, pretty much from a distance or at a quick glance, you can't really tell that it is a mid-range device. Like I said, it looks a lot like the Pixel 3, so the back of it actually looks really nice. Then on the sides, you got the buttons, you got the power button, the volume rocker, you got the SIM slot right here on the side, and then on the top, they brought back the headphone jack. Yes, so I'm pretty surprised that they didn't include headphones with this phone, since they did give us the headphone jack. They did bring it back, but hey, that's okay. If you do see some headphones that you do like, or if you already have your own wired headphones, you can go ahead and use those since they finally added a headphone jack, or they finally brought it back to their devices. And then we got a microphone up top, and then on the bottom, USB Type-C, and then one speaker and microphone. This does have dual speakers. One of the front firing speakers is right here, but unlike the Pixel 3 or 3 XL, this one does not have a front firing speaker on the bottom. It is going to be actually on the bottom, but you get what I mean. It's not front facing. So I'm gonna go ahead, let me go ahead and see if this has any juice in it. Let's go ahead and press the power button, and it looks like we got some juice. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up, and then I will be right back. All right, so I got the phone all nice and set up over there to the side, but before we take a look at it, let's quickly see what else is in the box. So let's see right here, we got the usual, I'm sure, manual. We got the SIM ejector tool. Let me go ahead and set that over to the side. Then we got the charging cable, which is USB Type-C, as you can see here. We got another adapter down there. And then we also got the power adapter, which is a fast charger. So it's nice that they did not take away fast charging for this mid-range device. I believe this is an 18-watt fast charger, USB Type-C, like I said earlier. So that is all that comes in the box. Let me go ahead and set that over to the side over there, and then let's take a look at the phone itself. Now, I did set up the fingerprint sensor, so let's see how fast it is. There you go. Let's try it one more time. And it actually works pretty quick. It's not too slow. Doesn't take too much time. Let's try it one more time. Look at that. So pretty impressed with the speed of the fingerprint sensor. And honestly, I really like the fingerprint sensor in the back because it just feels so natural. I mean, most of the time, your finger's already right there, ready to unlock your phone, or it's just always resting on the back. So it's always nice when they do have the fingerprint sensor on the back. So let's go ahead and just breeze through the phone really quick. Just look at performance. I mean, obviously, I'm going to have to use the phone for a while, but it seems to be running pretty smooth here. No lag at all. So honestly, it doesn't really feel too much like a mid-range device just for first impressions. These are just my first impressions. Obviously, like I said, I'm going to have to do a full review with this device. And I know this phone does have huge bezels on the top and the bottom, but honestly, it doesn't really look that bad. I mean, personally, I do prefer no bezels. You all know that I do use my Galaxy phone that doesn't have any bezels, or we got like the new OnePlus 7 that's coming, OnePlus 7 Pro that's coming out that has no bezels. But for a mid-range device, I don't really mind this at all, and it actually doesn't look that bad. The screen looks nice and vibrant. It doesn't look bad at all. This is an OLED display. Now, for a phone that costs $400, honestly, I think you're getting a good deal. It's running Google software. Yeah, it's not the latest software that we have on the higher up flagship devices. This is a mid-range device, and honestly, I think that is a good price for this phone, especially with the camera that comes with it. This is coming with the same cameras that you get on the Pixel 3 and 3 XL. Now, I went ahead and took some quick pictures with the camera on this device, and I am blown away by how good it is. Look at the quality. I mean, I'm not sure if you can tell how good it is here on camera, but the quality of pictures that this camera puts out is absolutely amazing. I am blown away. For a mid-range device to have a camera this good, I mean, you really cannot complain. So it's got a good camera, pretty much a flagship camera. Of course, I'm going to do a full review. I'm probably going to go later tonight and do a low light 4K video test because this can record in 4K at 30 frames per second. So I will be doing a low light video test. I'm going to be taking some night shots as well to see how well the camera does at night. And then I would do a regular video and picture test during the day as well. But this is it for my first impressions and unboxing. And so far, I am impressed with this device. For a mid-range device, the back looks nice. You can't tell that it is plastic unless you really look at it and feel it. It does have a nice lightweight feel to it. So $400 is getting you something pretty good. Like I said, I'm going to have to mess with it for a little bit to see if it is actually worth $400. But so far, for now, I am impressed with the mid-range device that Google has given us with this new Pixel 3a. All right, so real quick, I just want to try the case on the phone itself to see what the case looks like. This is the case from Google, and it's got a nice fabric material to it. So it actually feels really premium, and it's gonna hide the plastic back of this phone, making it look like a regular Pixel 3, a nice more premium device. And then you got the buttons on the side. You can still feel, it makes it a lot easier to feel where the fingerprint sensor is. So as you can see there, opened up my phone, the buttons seem to be working good. As you can see there, you guys know I do a lot of case reviews, so I'm all about the cases. You got to make sure your phone is protected, and on top it is open, so you can be able to use the headphone jack and the microphone as well, and it's also open on the bottom, so you can be able to use the speaker, mic, and the charging port. But for a case from Google, this is actually very, very nice. Like I said, it's a nice fabric. You got the nice little Google logo right there. But this is it. Like I said before, this was just my unboxing and first impressions with this device. So far, I think it's good. I am impressed, especially for the price point. But of course, I'm going to have to use it for a bit. But y'all let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. If there's anything you would like me to cover in my review, just let me know down below. Or if there's any other types of separate videos that you do want to see from me. If you have been following my channel for a while, you would know that I do take all comments and suggestions into consideration for making my videos. So y'all let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a huge thumbs up on this video if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. And if you do find yourself interested in this device so far, I will leave a link down in the description below in case you'd like to check it out for yourself. But for now, this is Josh Quinones. Thanks again for watching. I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.